Wordsmiths, hello! I've just returned from a trip to an alien world. Recently I learned to make donuts on a distant planet. It's a long story. And it was a long but exciting voyage. Those are our words for this video. Recently and voyage. I'll go through them and talk about what they mean, and then we'll use them in some sentences. Recently. Recently. It's an adverb. It means happening a short time ago. Remember, adverbs describe verbs and adjectives in the way that adjectives describe nouns. So if I say, I traveled recently, I'm describing how I traveled. I traveled in a recent way. That ly suffix, that ly ending, makes adjectives into adverbs. Happy, happily. Quick, quickly. Recent, recently. Voyage. Voyage. It's a noun and a verb. As a noun, it means a long journey. I took a voyage to Ceti Alpha 5. But as a verb, it means to go on a long journey. I voyaged there. Let's use these words in some sentences. I like to greet other astronomers by saying, seen any good comets recently? Have you seen any good comets lately? Would be another way to ask that question. Has this happened a short time ago, fellow astronomer? And then they tell me, why, yes, I have seen a good comet recently. And then they tell me about it. You have to meet people where they are, you know? Next one. When the explorers returned from their voyage to Mars, the first thing they wanted was tamales. Mars and back, whew, that's a long trip. A long, dare I say it, voyage. They traveled to Mars and back. They voyaged there. And they either ran out of tamales or they didn't bring any in the first place. And to that I say, well, there's your problem. Gotta stock up on tamales for a long voyage. If you've never had a tamal, it's a delicious filling like stewed pork or squash wrapped in cornmeal dough and steamed. On my long voyage to the alien planet, I brought quite a lot of beans. And they were a hit with the aliens, who had never seen a bean before. A human bean, that is. I cracked myself up. Anyway, I gotta go, fellow Earthling wordsmiths. But hey, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, you can learn anything. David out.